Welcome back to Weekend Smile. It's a new year and many people are looking for fresh hobbies to ignite their creativity and possibly promote relaxation. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a beginner, or someone looking for a mindful activity, pottery could be the perfect hobby to explore in 2025. Potter Patrick Hall is here to show us how to get started. Welcome, Patrick. How are you doing?
Well, I'm great.
You're great?
Yeah. Man.
Tell us a little bit about your experience with pottery.
Well, pottery, so many experience. Pottery is a thing, sickle your mind.
Okay.
You know, people would say it's a therapy for the mind, you know. Sometimes you stress and you start to work with clay. You find out you distress after you finish make a piece, you know. Mm-hmm. Because really you concentrate on what you're doing and take your mind off of what worrying you, you know. Yeah. So you automatically becomes, you know, stress-free.
Release some stress. How long have you been doing pottery?
Roughly about 35 years now.
Okay, all right. And I mean, what actually got you involved in it? You know, how did you get started?
Well, I tell you, things Jamaica start.
Okay.
You know, I was at school and, you know, them send you on vacation about the final year. You know, never used clay yet, you know. And I went to Things Jamaica. And it is the newer man now.
Okay.
You know, down there you used to have a big factory, you know, they teach clay works, they teach basket, all different kind of different craft, you know. Went there and fall in love with clay, you know. And from there, you know, I start to like get love with clay. You know, when I leave school, then I get a letter say, boy, I didn't want somebody as apprentice. And starting there, you know, there's a lot of big potter pass through, and I was the apprentice. Mm-hmm. So I get knowledge from different people, you know. So more time you go out there and you see my pot, you wonder who make this, because I have so much different style.
Yeah.
Because you get that experience from different people.
Okay.
You know?
All right, Patrick. Well, I mean, we're going to ride and whistle because we're going to be having some fun with the clay this morning. Right. But, I mean, let's get started then, and then we get through with the conversation. So, what do I do first? I was letting you know that I have not played with clay since high school. Like, I think I was in third form the last time I had an assignment to make something with clay. So tell me now, where do I start?
All right, so we're going to start something simple. All right, this is like a regular fishing line, we call it our cutting wire. Uh-huh. So this actually cut the clay, mm-hmm. You know, so you cut off whatever piece you want. Okay. You know, so when you cut the clay, we usually knead it, you know, so you have tall nails. So
I have tall nails, I can't use my...
Yeah, all right, try a small piece.
Yeah, man, all right, tell me what to do. Use my fist?
So you actually...
I can't eat like dumpling with my tall nails, them, you know. Patrick, don't play with me. We make dumpling.
So basically, kneading the clay, the good thing about kneading the clay, you get rid of air pocket from the clay. If you want to make a pot and it have air pocket in it, during the firing, you know, the air pocket...
How am I doing?
Burst, you know.
Are doing all right?
Yeah, yeah.
Patrick, Patrick, how are you doing?
All right. Not really good. What you do?
At least you're honest.
You slightly roll it, like, you know. Okay. And when you're doing this, if you realize what I'm doing, any hair in it, when you do it like this, you actually squeeze it out.
Okay, I get it out.
You turn it to this side and you do the same thing, you know. And you do it about 3 or 4 times. Right. And once you do that,
Patrick, my hands are half the size of yours. Okay, yeah. Just to let you know. But we're gonna double up. All right.
Yeah, you can use it one.
Yeah, man, use it one. Little energy and yeah. All right. So after I knead the clay now, what happens?
Right. So after you knead the clay, you slap it up like this in a ball. You know, you just
Yeah, this part easy.
Right.
All right.
All right. So once you get a ball like this, you know.
Yeah. Hold on, there, Patrick. Ready again.
Yeah.
Right.
So you try and do it like this. Right. All right.
All right.
So once you get it like that, right?
Yeah, I got it close.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Right. So you throw it like this. You throw it. No, you kind of throw it sideways like this. So by doing that, you actually flatten it like you're making a roti.
Boy, Patrick, someone needs to do it. Just so.
You know?
Ready. Yeah.
So, but when you get it like this, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Uh-huh.
So once you throw it sideways, you know, like you're throwing it like this.
Yeah.
You
Patrick,
you're really stretching.
practice makes perfect.
Okay.
All right. We got it. We're trying. All right. What's
Yeah.
next?
All right. So when you get it like this now,
Uh-huh.
you know, you have this if you want your pot to have texture, you know.
Uh-huh.
This is a tool you can roll it.
Roll it. Oh.
Right? And when you do it, you get whatever texture you want, you know.
Okay. All right. Mine is not as thin as yours, but it's flat.
Right?
Yeah. All right. So I can borrow one of those.
Right. You can use whatever.
All right. So
one
yeah,
you use.
I want that print. For persons who are, you know, interested in doing ceramics though, Patrick, what would you tell them? Where would you tell them to go? So I'm rolling. All right. Roll it.
Yes.
All right. So tell me, where can I go if I'm interested in ceramics?
Well, you have Sana Studio in Barbican. Mm-hmm. You know, they do a lot of part-time teaching up there. And you have Edamanda School of Art, you know. So those places, you know, they provide part-time teaching.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
So on weekends or after work, you know.
Okay.
All right. So
What
now,
do I do next?
So now you have your texture.
Oh, I'm not looking too bad for my first time.
Not bad, not bad.
All right. I'm at a B. I'm trying to
Right,
get
so-
to an A.
So
okay.
you can use your cookie cutter.
Uh-huh.
Cut it, or you can cut a frame freehand.
No. We're not trying to freehand thing
Okay.
this morning. The cookie cutter. Yeah, right.
Okay.
And we have different shapes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So first you just dip it in the water.
The cookie
so
cutter?
It slide through, yeah.
Okay. The bottom
Right?
of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-huh.
All right.
And then what? Just press it?
Just press it on.
That's it?
That's it. Right? So when you actually take out this, right?
Uh-huh.
You know, you usually cut out a portion of them first. Until you just take this from around it.
Okay. Oh, I'm not
so you
ready
don't
yet. I
damage
wanted
it.
a heart
Yeah.
too.
Right.
All right. So I'm going to dip my cookie cutter. And then I'm going to... Yeah. There we go.
Right.
Okay. All right. And then I just remove this
Just remove that.
from around it.
Yeah.
And then I'm left with the excess.
Yeah.
And then guys, looky here.
Okay.
Yes. That looks beautiful. So tell me now some of the opportunities that are available, you know, surrounding pottery. Let me show the viewers my heart. I kind of messing it up, but I don't want to. Yeah, so tell me about some of those opportunities now, Patrick.
Well, there's a lot of opportunity in terms of clay work, artwork in clay. You know, you can have different artwork, you know,
Yeah.
but artwork in clay, you know, you hardly have people do it. And clay is good for your hand. You know, it actually, you know, give you a soft hand, you know. And
Okay.
most people might check about the clay. You know, it is clay. It make your hand get rough, but the clay actually good for your skin, you know.
All right.
Some people take clay mass and clay bath, you know, to help them out.
Okay.
Certain
I love that. I love that. And what kind of ceramics do you make, Patrick?
Well, a variety. You know, I make bowl, cup, plate, flowers pot,
Yeah.
flowers vase, you know, you name it.
All right. So, well, we're encouraging persons to take up pottery, doing ceramics as a hobby for 2025. Release the stress, learn something new, have some fun, and make some nice new goodies as well that they can use in and around the house. And give persons as gifts too, right now, Patrick?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all?
Yeah, man.
All right, Patrick, I'm going to help you with yours, you know, before we go. I'm going to help you. I want an angel out of yours, okay?
Okay.
All right, wait, no, I didn't dip it.
Yeah.
See, I'm a good student. I'm gonna dip it. Boy. All right. Lift it up.
Yeah.
All right.
What?
And then you take it out.
Right.
All right. So how long does this take to dry now, Patrick?
Well, it depends on climate. Sometimes it take like about 3 days, sometimes a week, you know. After it dry, you fire it until you put on the glaze on it. And after you glaze it, you give it a refire. And you get that sheen in the firing. And when you take it out, that is how you get your ceramic piece.
Okay. All right, Patrick, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We learned a lot. Just remind us where we can go if it is that we are interested in learning ceramics, doing pottery, taking up this new hobby for 2025.
Well, we have Sana Studio in Barbican, you know. And we have mustard seed.
Okay.
You know. We do pottery down there too. and we have School of Art.
All right, Patrick, thank you so much for joining us on Weekend Smile. That was Patrick Hall Potter. Of course, we learned a lot, guys. More on Weekend Smile after the break.